200 in her, 4S and 3S, and she flies just fine on those. There, much better landing. Well, there you go, folks. Perfect. There. Whoa. Whoa. I just missed my leg. had to pick one leg. Yeah, there you go. The rest of everything catching on fire. So, nice slow approach here. This is one of the few planes that you can actually bring her in and making sure it's okay, you know. There we go. There we go. Awfully windy.
Flaps up.
40-something inches wingspan. I'm not really sure. I'm sure there's a simple way of converting that in your head, but not bad. There we go. Like a buck. Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa. There we go. And Tokyo slide. People don't realize it, but in all actuality, oh, that was wonderful. Wonderful.